Today's video, I'll show you where to find the equalizer settings and the 360 audio settings found within the wearable app if you're using an Android phone or perhaps a Samsung phone while you are connected with your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So these are the Buds 3 Pro. I'm not sure about the Buds 3, but let's just say you are already set up, you connected your earbuds with the phone. And once they're connected, you'll simply go to the app itself, the wearable app itself. You'll most likely be introduced with this right here from the get-go as they are connected, and you'll see the sound quality and effects part here. I want you to tap on that one time, and you will see 360 audio as one of the first sound settings there for you. And as you tap on it, you can either turn it on from here or tap on it just to get an idea of how these work, okay? And once you have them both in your ears, this is gonna give you that vivid immersive sound coming from all directions. So if you've been looking for that, this is gonna work for you. Again, this is with the Buds 3 Pro. I'm not sure of the regular Buds 3, and I wanna believe that's why there was a sort of a big price difference between the two of them. So check it out. Let me know if the regular Buds 3 has them too so others could know. And then the fun part is the equalizer. And why it's the fun part? Because if, say, for example, your phone itself has an equalizer or Dolby Atmos, like for example, this Samsung phone is gonna have the Dolby Atmos on its own, right? So you can use that on, have that on, plus you can also have the equalizer here, which you can switch between the presets, the bass and all that stuff here. You can switch between them and you can just have them in your ears while you're listening to a song. And then the custom allows you basically to just simply adjust the bands. So if you know how to use these bands and work in your favor, go ahead and do that. That's going to give you a better sound quality. All right. So like and sub if this guide helped. Thanks for watching.